Hello everyone. No, I'm not storing nuts in my face for the winter. I just got 3 wisdom teeth taken out yesterday, and I was told to just take painkillers and do bed rest, but I wasn't told that I couldn't do an unboxing video. Um, uh, I'm so bored. I've just been icing my face and lying in bed. I wanted to do this. The box came in yesterday, and I was like, oh shit, I gotta go to the dentist. So I thought, oh, okay, I'll just unbox when I get back. But I was like spitting up blood, and it was not cute. So anyway, this is a box I learned about called Fashion Maids. It's a family-run business in San Diego. So it only took 2 days to get here. And apparently for $60 a month, you get 10 items of brand new with tags clothing. It's for resellers. But I wanted to see if this was a box that could be like a personal style box, like a Stitch Fix or whatever. So I requested my size and my style. I asked for vintage inspired stuff, boho. You can name, there's all sorts of areas you can name. And I also did make sure to mention to them it's free shipping. So total was about $64 with tax. And I mentioned to them that I was going to unbox this for my YouTube channel. And then they wrote me and said, oh, we'll send you some extra pieces. So just a tip. I don't know if they appreciate that, like, Gopher Face is doing this. But anyway, so here's the box. It's open. I gave them, sorry. Ugh. I'm gonna have to ice my face. This is insane. I probably shouldn't be doing this, but I was like just lying in bed dying to see what's in this box. So I'm probably just gonna crawl back into bed and look for stock photos when this is over. So I gave them, you can name what seasons you want. You can name all sorts of things that you're looking to supply your closet with. For me, I'm looking, and it's $6, it ends up being $6 a piece. I'm trying to see, oh, that's sweet. Just wrote me a little thank you card. Hope you love your box. So they're called Fashion Maids. And I heard about them from Ashley Day, who had a YouTube channel, and she was able to get a free box because she has more followers than me. But anyway, this might be my free bonus. I hope it is. It's a cubic zirconia necklace, which is nice. I could use that. Sometimes when I'm auditioning, I need jewelry that's not so dramatic. Okay, so I gave them, I said all prints were okay. I said I'd like tongue-in-cheek stuff. All right, so this, oh, and supposedly things are going to be worth like up to $800 in here, retail. So this is O'Neill. It's an asymmetrical floral top. You can see that it's been run through clearance a few times. It was $14.95. You could tell it was even less. And at one point someone wanted $44 for this. So I don't know if that's something I would personally wear, but it's in here, and supposedly it's my size. This is the Girlfriend Jean by Celebrity Pink. And this is a size 7, 28. It's a little too small for me because I think I am a 29-30 waist now. Though at the end of this Chipmunk episode, I've only been having smoothies today. I might fit it by the end of this weekend. I don't know these. So apparently a lot of this is overstock. Stuff that like stores can't sell. So I'm not sure if I'm going to cancel at the end of this box. We'll see. So far, I'm like, Millie. Oh, that's cute. This is Millie. This is, you can see it was a Nordstrom rack. They wanted 30 at the last check. This might be too small for me. And it has a little bit of a stain in the back, which they did not say that some of this might have some flaws like that. But this is cute. It's too small for me, so this one is gonna size 6. I did say I was a size 6, but some brands I'm not a size 6. Okay, Vince Camuto. Vince Camuto is one of those brands that everyone's like, don't pick it up anymore. And now it's in this box. This is a medium. Are there any tags on this one? There's no tags that I can feel, so maybe the tag got pulled off. It's a floral top. I asked for no summer clothes, just because I feel like I have an excess of summer clothes. So far, you know what I'm saying? This is a little tee by Jessica Simpson. This was going for $24 at some point. You can see that it was continually marked down, but this is a little warm-up top. I was hoping for more like dresses and stuff like that. I didn't really want as many separates. Here's some Topshop. This was a $50 top at one point from Topshop. Huh. Maybe I should go back to bed and heal my face. I don't know. I'm not really... I'm kind of... I named it, like... I have a very specific style. I try to wear a sweater that reflects that. Like... Oh, this might be cute. Oh, I said rompers. Rompers. So this is great. This is a romper by Bardot. And this is something I feel like if I can fit it, I'd probably like to wear it a little. This is cute. Yeah, I like this. Let's see what they were trying to sell this for at one point. It's from Australia. A lot of this looks like Nordstrom Rack that closed out and they couldn't sell. So this is super cute. I like that. One and done pieces. I'm not sure if I'll give them a chance one more time because I actually do have a source, a $1 a piece source that gets closeout stuff from Nordstrom. It's just hard for me to get to her. And then sometimes half the stuff is like, has so many flaws. It's like so much to report. This is Ark & Company. This is like a top. It's like a... These are really weird tops. When I was in Ohio, there's a store called Discount Fashion Warehouse, which was like a lot of these kind of like tops for like $5 a piece. So I will say this is better than the clothing company. This is... Oh good, yay, another romper. That's sweet of them. Maybe next time I'll just see if they'll just give me an all romper package. This is much too small for me, and I can't find... Oh, this is size small. I had asked for mediums and larges, so I guess they don't always give you the sizes that you want. But rompers, I feel like, do super well in general. So it has less embellishment. This could be like... You could maybe take this out. It needs to be steamed, cleaned. Excuse me for a second. Are you enjoying my unboxing video? I wonder that people at Fashion Maids are like, we didn't know she was gonna be so swollen. Okay, I see a sweater and a hair, human hair. Yeah, I'm glad they don't leave this out. They don't leave the mystery out that at this point, this is Karen Scott, and at this point, this was $11.63. This is just a cute cashmere sweater with no flaws, so far as I can tell. So, I think this is one way to go about getting some basics. Maybe I needed it to be more specific. Okay, pants. I hate pants. They're so hard to photo. And this at one point was a penny. Good Luck Gem. This is another Nordy find. So I think a lot of what they're getting is Nordstrom clothes that they are just throwing in the box. So I guess when Nordstrom Rack was selling it was $25. They got it down to a penny. And they made about $5.99 off me. So let's count how many pieces. So we got 1, these pants, 2, this sweater, 3, this romper, 4, this snake top, 5, this romper, which is really cute. That's the only one I really feel like is my style. 6, this Topshop. 7, this workout top. 8, this thing. 9, 10. So they gave me 11 pieces plus the necklace. What's the math? Come on, you're Chinese. 11. So it's $5 and something cents a piece, I believe. Anyway, I gotta think on this and figure out. I don't know that I will resubscribe. I think it's very good quality. I just have places where I can access, and I also have too much shit in the house. But that was a nice way to cheer me up from my swollen face, and I'm going to go back to bed now and look up stock photos. All right. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed.